Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about how I transform a brand packaging. So we designed a repackaging for a grower company that called Advanced Nutrition. So it's a 100 ml or plus 100 ml company network. It's called Advanced Nutrition. So I'm gonna show you how we did the first round of concepts and the second round of concepts. So we was having a task of how we can repackaging from a boring and non-impactful design to a memorable and a scalable, so it can be scalable for new products. Also, I'm gonna show you how we designed the first round of concepts and the second round of concepts. Let's jump into our lab so I can show you how we designed the brand packaging for this brand. Before we start, guys, if you want to work with me, you can just fill out the form right down below. Let's work together, or the projects inquiry one, or contact me at my email, or just. And if you want to see my portfolio, you can just click on my portfolio link on Behance so you can see my portfolio, and you are welcome to work with me. So here is the brand. So they want to release a new line of products, and they want a great and a new modern scalable design for these new products. So they tasked me for this task, so I did 2 rounds. Like the first round was on 3 concepts and the second round was on 3 concepts also. So as you see right here, it's a website. They are a growers company for some cannabis or some things like that, and also they are so big at Instagram. So I heard about them that they are like plus 100 mil sales every year. So it's a $1 million company. It's 100 million or 200 million company network. So as you see right here, it's a bigger company. So we worked with a bigger company, and I'm proud of myself that I came up to this level to work with a company as big as this one. As you see right here, we start by a pre-briefing. So they provide me with a brief all over, like as is here. So we are looking for a talented designer to imagine the current look of our new product line. The design we have has not been released yet. We would like to see other options before making a decision. We are looking for a modern, slick and simple design. And also about the company, so they talked about the company, and also they provided me with a mood board, and also with their logo, and also with the color palette that they want to see all over the packaging, and also the type of font they want. So they want a sans serif font, and also a products, and about some information about the products packaging. So the information that need to be on the packaging, on the front of the package. So as you see right here, fonts, they want to use Adobe and Google fonts first, but consider paid fonts as an alternative ones. As you see also, they send me the dimensions and the shape. So they send me 3 mockups so I can present my design all over the mockups they provide me with. So I will show y'all everything on the next PDF. So as you see right here, mood board that they provided me with. So this is my design type, and also some designs that they see want to fit this product line. So here is the current look. The current look of this product. So it's a bottle, and also it's a mailer bag, and also 2 bags. As you see right here, they provide me with their competitors. So I see and I check their competitors. As you see right here, the design packaging, how it is. And also I did a color palette imagination so I can know what can fit the packaging design. And also I see this concept really great, and also I checked also this concept. So as you see right here, here is it, the bags, and just I want to design all over them, all over the outlines. The first concepts, it's all the same. I changed a little bit on the look so I can see what will fit more. The second design was this one, so the type of designs I played with, and I will see what will fit more. And also this is the third concept. This concept, so it was a gradient, and also I did a gradient all over this their logo. So as you see right here, these packagings are different packagings, but the same idea. So as you see right here, like this one is inspired by their competitors. So I just make it more professional PDF. So I presented them the concepts. As you see right here, I talked about how the importance of brand packaging for this brand, and what their brand mission and expertise. So I talked about how the brand, the current brand packaging is so boring. I talked about the values that needed to contain on every brand packaging concept we need to provide. We talked about the brand packaging problem and also the solution. And as you see right here, I provide them with these 3 looks of the same concept, and also the concept how it look in a brand, like in a grade. Also what are the values provided from this brand concept. And as you see here, the final results here, 3 concepts, but I just played with the typography and played with the positions. I choose this one, and also here is it, the values that are like they are stand on this brand packaging concept. So as you see, readability, professionalism, scalability, educational, and also unique. As you see right here, I made a preview of this concept, and also the last concept. So here is it, and just tell me which one you liked more, and we jump on the second round. So, and they sent me a new mood board. As you see right here, here's the mood board. They card like the exclusive. They want something exclusive. Like this one, it looks minimal and also exclusive. As you see with the black and orange, it looks really premium. And also we did 3 variations of the same. So one with this one, and one all centered, and one black and orange. So this one was the first concept, and also the second concept was this one. It's related to this flip, to this rabbit thing, and also to this packaging. And also the third concept was this one. As you see right here, like we did like 4 variation but the same idea, and we get the same concept. As you see, like gradients, and with a minimal and a bigger logo on the packaging, on the front packaging. So we can check the brand concept that I did, and also I keep also the value that they need on the brand concept presentation. I explained the brand packaging, and also I talked about the values of the brand. So as you see right here, this concept is providing some feelings of exclusivity, modernity, organization, premium, quality, and trust. And also here are the 2 variations of the every colors or every type of variation upon the brand packaging. So as you see right here, here are the presentation and the look of the brand packaging of the first concept. So as you see also for the second concept, we did this one as I mentioned before, and also here are the grid of this concept, so how the concepts work, and also what are the values provided from this concept. As you see, the innovation, informative and visibility, educative and minimalist. As you see right here, I give some feeling of exclusivity and premium. Black is the one who will do this job, is make it exclusive, because black is a color of these things. And also as you see right here, how the packaging look all over the products. For the last concept, here are the concept that I did. I changed the colors so it can be more options for the client to see packaging, and also what are the values provided from this packaging: simplicity, modernity, exclusivity, new way, and bold. So I mentioned the bold thing because when I did the meeting with them, they talk and they mentioned the bold value all over their packaging. So exclusive and bold. Also here are the concept how they look all over the packaging, and here are